Hi everyone, it's that time of the year where we're going back to Philly. It's been a long 2 years with COVID. We haven't gone down to Philadelphia to check out our properties, check out the progress in person on what we're doing. And we decided at the last minute to invite everybody in our network to come and visit some of our projects in Philadelphia. So if you're looking to invest in US real estate, you're not too sure how to do it from Canada, well, this is your chance. We'll give you access to our team and you'll be able to tour live developments with us. So we'll be in Philadelphia the 18th, the 19th, and the 20th of April. So if you want more details, click on the link below, register with your email, and we'll be happy to follow up with you and hope to see you soon in Philadelphia. Cheers and see you in Philly.